Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show Ram 1500 leveling kit versus lift kit, which is better. Follow along to compare ride quality, tire options, cost, towing effects, and daily drivability so you can pick the right setup. I will walk through pros and cons, installation complexity, and how each choice affects warranty, alignment, and center of gravity, helping you make a confident choice for your truck without jargon. Let's dive into performance differences between a leveling kit and a lift kit so you understand how driving feel changes. Leveling keeps geometry closer to stock, giving predictable highway manners and lighter steering input. Lift kits allow bigger tires and improved off-road clearance, but expect more body roll and slightly altered steering response. I'll cover trade-offs and simple tuning tips to maintain safe handling after modifications. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making practical truck guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that hides workshop odors after wrenching on your Ram. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you snatch one, you'll thank me on your next drive. Now let's get back to the video. Now look at cost and installation so you budget correctly for a leveling or lift kit. Leveling often finishes in a few hours with basic parts and minimal alignment work. Lift kits may require extended control arms, stronger shocks, and more labor, increasing total cost and downtime. I'll outline typical parts to expect, common installation hurdles, and when a professional installer is worth the extra expense for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.